Understanding fractions. Imagine a time long ago when people didn't have numbers like 1/2 or 1/3. How did they share food or divide anything fairly? Let's take a quick trip back in time to see how the idea of fractions first began. Fast forward to today. Fractions are everywhere. From recipes to measurements, they help us understand the world around us. Let's explore these building blocks of math together and discover how easy fractions can be. Fractions are parts of a whole. To understand them better, we are going to use shapes. Look at this square, a rotated square. This is our whole. It represents one complete thing, so it is called 1. The one whole square is divided into different equal parts. First, it is divided into two equal parts and it is called 1 over 2. Then into four equal parts and it is called 1 over 4. Then it is divided into 8 equal parts and is called 1 over 8. So you can see in the bottom how many smaller parts it is divided into. All are equal parts. So the tiniest part is 1 over 64, which means the square is divided into 64 equal parts. So fractions are about dividing things into equal parts. The smaller the parts, the bigger the bottom number. Let's look at something interesting about fractions. Look at this hexagon. It's a shape with 6 sides. We are going to divide it into 6 equal parts. Each part is 1/6 of the whole hexagon. We write it as 1 over 6. Now, look at this hexagon. It's smaller than the first one, but it's still a hexagon. So let's divide it into 6 equal parts. It's also 1 over 6. Here's another hexagon, even smaller. Again, we divide it into 6 equal parts. Each part is still a 1/6. Amazing, right? So we have 3 hexagons of different sizes, but each hexagon has 6 equal parts and each part is 1 over 6. 1/6 is always 1/6, no matter how big or small the whole is. Fractions help us measure things accurately. Even if we are measuring something small or something big, fractions help us divide it into equal parts and understand how much of that whole we are talking about. Now let's do a review. Remember how we divided the square into smaller and smaller pieces? Now you will see these pieces in different colors. How many green pieces will make the whole? Is the orange part equal to 1/4? What fraction is the red piece of the whole? How many yellow pieces make the red piece? What part is the white piece of green piece? The black piece is really tiny. What fraction of the whole is it? We hope you got all the answers in building a whole piece by piece. If not, please leave comments and we will provide the answers. Ready to tackle even bigger fraction challenges? Let us know. Goodbye.